Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this video about gold. So let's get started here. Gold monthly chart. I've been tracking from wave 4, from the beginning of the wave 4. So this was my chart, the last chart I made on the 29th August, and we still need to go up there. So it went up here, 2074, dropped back to 1920, even 1900 all the way, and then start to bounce again. And this was my weekly chart, my first scenario and the second scenario. So second one was like all the way down here, the TL, but my first was it will not come down all the way to 1877. In fact, from 1877, bouncing and going to the upside. So it went up, it came down to 1912, 1900, and now today it started to go to the upside. Now when it was coming down, I had this little small trade yesterday on the 14th. So it came down, it was wobbling around 1912, then it dropped to 1902. This is a weekly number, so this is where I said maybe it will stop. So I closed my trade here and waiting, and then made another chart, which was this night on the 14th September. So this is my 60-minute chart. This drop, it went up, and then retracement around 61%, a little lower than that. And this is the level here, 1902, 1900. These two in the couple of lines, right line is 1902, right? 1912 is here, 1916 is here, and then 1920 is here, step by step. So I was expecting that it will go back up again above 1920 and then give me the long setup, and then I'll go. But today is Friday, so I don't know if I'm interested in taking the trade. But yeah, it is going up now. And current chart of this 60-minute goal is this. See that? So I made this one yesterday, and so far we are here at what number we are here now? 1926. So it's powerfully going to the upside, and obviously it goes to the upside because of the USD weakness. So that's what I'm expecting. At 8:30 news, I was expecting that it will we will have a bad news, but unfortunately, the news came out good, and USD is not moving, but gold is still going to the upside, and that is the sign that eventually USD probably gonna get weaker. And we have a red news again for USD at 10 o'clock, right? So that will do the job. And then it will go up. But I will, again, like I said, that it will wait for a retracement back to 1920 or maybe 1916. And then if it start to go up, I will go in with my 150 or 200 big size chart, like 20-minute chart. All right, so this is, I just want to show that this is what's happening, and next target would be 1959. All right, so trade accordingly, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like my videos, then I upload video once in a while here there with very, very good setups, so take advantage of that. You will get my videos as soon as I upload them, right? So subscribe. And this is it. I don't want to touch anything else. It's just this video is only for the gold, and gold is now going to the upside. Let's see what happens. All right, so this is it for now. One more time, I'll show the weekly chart here. This is what I'm expecting. So this is 1959 right here. The next target is 1959, break that. 1987, break that, going back to 2074, 2070, and this high 2080. These couple of, and then we break that, we will achieve our ultimate target later on, sometime maybe next month. All right, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.